Have you ever wondered why some people seem so difficult to deal with? It's a curious question that opens up a myriad of possibilities. Just as a mother tigress grows fierce when a stranger approaches her cubs, so too might individuals act out when they feel threatened or vulnerable. Diving into the depths of psychology, it becomes apparent that human behavior isn't as straightforward as it might seem. In fact, it's a complex web, woven from a variety of threads: personal experiences, insecurities, fears, and a whole lot more. And the knots in this web? Those are the difficult people we have to handle from time to time. Think of someone you consider difficult. It's easy to label them as problematic, but in reality, their behavior could be a reflection of their internal struggles. Take, for instance, a person who always tends to be argumentative. On the surface, they might seem stubborn or aggressive, but delve deeper, and you might find they are simply trying to assert themselves, perhaps due to past experiences where their voice was suppressed. Similarly, an individual who constantly criticizes others might be grappling with their own insecurities, projecting them onto other people to avoid confronting their own flaws. It's a defense mechanism, a psychological armor they wear to protect their vulnerable selves. So how does one handle these difficult people? The first step is understanding. Recognize that their difficult behavior is not about you, but about them. It's their way of dealing with their own insecurities and fears. Next, practice empathy. Put yourself in their shoes, try to understand their perspective. This doesn't mean you have to agree with them, but understanding their standpoint can help diffuse tension and foster better communication. Thirdly, set boundaries. While it's important to empathize, it's also crucial to protect your own mental and emotional well-being. Clearly communicate your limits and stick to them. Lastly, be patient. Change doesn't happen overnight. With time, understanding, and empathy, you can pave the way for healthier interactions. In summary, dealing with difficult people is a challenge, but one that can be managed with understanding, empathy, patience, and the setting of clear boundaries. Remember, beneath their difficult exterior, they might just be a vulnerable individual, trying to navigate through their own complexities. Before we wrap up, consider doing your part in making things easier for everyone. Share this video with friends and family who might be dealing with similar situations. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, understanding is the first step towards change.